Name. Colin McRae. Colin McRae. So, where do you live? Around.
Det är klart.
Around. And the crime that you committed, you shield bash an officer.
He was running.
With a
Shield.
Bashed an officer's head in. No!
And
You're lying! I've done nothing of assault!
I saw you. And he broke my nail.
And... You can't write that down, broke.
Police officer.
And
A bitch's nail.
an officer's nail. And...
Screaming.
Shield.
No, he threw coffee on me. I was very
And the
blue.
shield bash.
I asked for a beer and you got me coffee.
Yes. This
That's
is
right to get the coffee in the head.
Bad manners.
yes, bad man too.
Oh, I have to take a shower. Is that for him?
I have to.
Fuck off. Jag får dricka för fan.
Oh, really? I had to go with midgets.
Nästan alltså. Fingeravtryck från mitt.
You know, in 11 years, there will be a site called uglypeople.com. You'll be honest. And
11 years.
Which?
Man var tvungen att få med den där va?
Well.
Så de fyra. Four, I mean, yes. Yes.
De 4 får yes.
Four yes. Good.
Första bästa